Tom Garvey, the keto cook. Tom Garvey, the keto cook. Beef and butter, and don't forget those ribs.
Hey everybody, I'm Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook / the Sunday Dinner Chef. I'm calling on all YouTube content creators that live in the Las Vegas area. I want to come on down to the National Hardware Show. It'll be held at the Las Vegas Convention Center, West Hall, from March 18th to March 20th, 2025. I'll be joined by Chef John from Chef's Backyard, and we're going to cook on some Monument grills. So I'm urging all of the YouTube creators that live in Las Vegas, come on, bring your camera, great content, and besides, come out and check us out. Support a local guy right here who's going to be supporting Monument Grills. Great stuff. If you're in the market for a gas grill, you need to check this out because you know what? They are fantastic. I can't wait to give it a whirl. So Las Vegas YouTubers, come on down and check it out. Check out us on Monument Grills, our booth. Me and Chef John will be there March 18th and 19th. We're going to be cooking and also demonstrating how easy it is to operate the Monument Grills plus their accessories. And between the two of us, we have close to 60 years of cooking. So the whole idea is, it's not about us. It's about Monument Grills and how easy it is to navigate through. You don't have to be a professional chef to use these, all right? Makes cooking a lot easier, makes it more fun. Let's put it that way. So between the two of us, we're going to show you the easiest way to operate, and I can't wait to do it. I'm looking forward to it. Now, on Chef John's channel, Chef's Backyard, he is actually a Monument Grill spokesman. So he has a lot of videos about Monument Grills. Check it out, please. Also has a cookbook on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Now, as for me, all right, I am Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. I've been doing this now for 6 years on YouTube and also have a podcast, Tom's Real Food Podcast, that it's on every Monday. And a year ago, I started another channel, my passion for regular cooking, Sunday dinner. It's called The Sunday Dinner Chef. I do restaurant quality food for Sunday dinner. Anybody can make it home. Now, Chef John and myself are going to give you a thrill to buy a Monument Grill because you know why? They are fantastic. So YouTubers, local Las Vegas guys, come on down, show some support at the National Hardware Show. It's at the Las Vegas Convention Center, West Hall, and it's going to go from March 18th through the 20th, 2025. Chef John and I will be cooking on the 18th and also the 19th. Come on down, show some love. You can't make content unless you got something to come see, so we got content. Come on down and check it out.